Once the time comes for you to pack up and head home, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure all the sleeping gear is out of your tent. You want to roll up your sleeping bags as tight as possible for compactness and ease of transport. It's a very good idea to start at the head, as the ties are usually at the feet. You want to roll this up as tight as you can. You'll notice that as I do that, the sleeping bag will begin to inflate with the air that's trapped inside. Simply apply a little bit of pressure to force the air out of the sleeping bag so that you can continue rolling it up tightly. Once that's done, pass one part of each tie over the bag and roll it over so that the tie is attached to the bottom. This allows you a spot where you can tie the bag off, prevent it from coming undone. The sleeping bag folded up tightly, ready for transport.